When Outsourcing Angel got started, I really saw ourselves as a recruitment company helping clients to find quality marketing staff from the Philippines and matchmake them so that they could have a great working relationship together. But over the years, what I found was that we started to evolve and really innovate because we're still trying to figure out how can we help clients to really succeed in their business. Hiring staff is just a vehicle to being able to achieve the outcome they want in their business. So over the years, we evolved into helping clients, coaching them with how to communicate, how to build teams. But most importantly, in the last year, we realized that a lot of business owners don't know the best ways to run a marketing campaign or the best process or checklist to do something. And so we realized that is a missing gap. It's not just finding the right people, it's really what are the best ways to do something. And so we've decided to create something called the Angel Academy. And this is where you're going to find all your things that you need, from softwares and tools, checklists, templates, how to do a podcast, how to use YouTube, how to do all the things that you need to do to succeed in your business. Because we realize that if you have a great person to do your work, but without the right vehicle or the right process and system that you can provide for them, then they're not going to be able to achieve the right outcome for you. So this is where the Angel Academy comes in. It's all the trainings and support that you need, but of course we're also there as to provide you the actual support. So if you want to have a phone call and you want to jump on a Zoom chat with one of our team, you can also do that. But this is a place where you're going to find all the essential information that you need for your business.